Google Bard vs ChatGPT 4. Hey there! Today, we've an exciting showdown for you. Google Bard vs ChatGPT 4. Google Bard is an AI language model known for creative writing, while ChatGPT 4 is OpenAI's latest chatbot. Let's compare them head-to-head. Google Bard generates impressive poetry, stories, and songs, making it a favorite for artists and writers. It excels at creativity and can even generate rhyming couplets on demand. ChatGPT 4 is designed for conversational AI, providing engaging interactions. It understands context better, delivering more human-like responses. Whether you need information or want a friendly chat, ChatGPT 4 has you covered. Google Bard impresses with creativity but may struggle with coherence. ChatGPT 4 focuses on coherent and meaningful responses. It holds more context, allowing for engaging interactions. Both models have their strengths in data collection. Google Bard benefits from diverse sources, while ChatGPT 4 builds upon past advancements for a broader range of knowledge. Both Google Bard and ChatGPT 4 bring unique strengths to the table. Google Bard's creative writing abilities make it a go-to choice for artists and writers seeking imaginative content, while ChatGPT 4's focus on conversational AI ensures engaging and human-like interactions. Remember, both models continue to evolve and improve, building upon their strengths and addressing their limitations. The advancements in AI language models offers exciting opportunities for professionals of various domains. Thank you for joining us today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Happy learning! Also, download our newly updated Sprintzeal app. Learn more about it in the description below.